Where are we going today?
We're heading off to Playa Linda for a pool party to Roger's place. Just a bit of a get together, Barbie, beers, and yeah, that's it. And Playa Linda's about 5 k's down the track. There should be a collectivo here to pick us up in about 5 minutes. All good. So a bit of an afternoon off. I've been varnishing all morning. Wendy's been doing her stuff all morning, and we've been busy. So it's nice to it's going to be nice to have an afternoon off. Cheers.
This is where we ended up. We just came in a collectivo. What a beautiful place to have a birthday party.
You want to try one of those?
What are they?
Uno? Caramel in there. Try some? Hey guys, birthday time!
That's it. You old bastard.
You old bastard.
You old bastard.
Ah, look at that.
Up.
Woo! Where's the...
Let's see what Magnus is up to while I'm sewing. He's making things pretty. Which box is that one?
That's the starboard box that's on just below the base of the mast.
Looking good.
Yeah.
It's all looking good.
Yeah, look at that. Wait. How beautiful
Oh,
is that?
it's lovely.
Yeah. I've just done the instrument panel behind you.
Oh, the little cutie.
Yeah.
That little cutie.
Yeah, getting through all the bits and pieces today. Just done this door. So matches this door now, so now we've got 2 nice varnish doors.
Beautiful.
And the next bit we're going to do is get into this horrible, that's the only part of the interior that's horrible.
Yeah.
So that's the next step.
Ahoy there!
Here comes our taxi service, towing the kids. We're going out to have a spot of lunch.
We've just come onto the mainland to have some lunch. We found all these gorgeous little palalapas or something, little cafes. So we're going to pick one and have a meal. Different coloured palm trees for each restaurant. Pretty cool table numbers. Not quite sure what that means. We'll go and sit by the beach.
De la Sierra Morena, cielito lindo, vienen bajando. Un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo de contrabando. Que a mí me toca.
Es my compadre.
Lindo vienen bajando. Un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo de contrabando.
Camarones.
Ah,
Son grandes.
very big.
Mexican camarones, okay?
Yeah. We're running out of provisions, so I've made a breakfast pizza.
Just heading up to the Marina office here to start the paperwork for checking out of this place, because hopefully we're going to leave tomorrow, depending on this hurricane. So just starting the paperwork trail now, see how it goes. Cheers. Well, we couldn't start the paperwork trail because the port's closed and all the officials aren't at their post. So it looks like Monday now. So we've decided to go and provision instead. We're going to head to town and stock up on supplies for the next leg.
Very flooded.
Look ahead.
Roads are very flooded.
You almost went under.
So what's this?
It's the notice that Puerto Chiapas is closed indefinitely, but we don't know when they're going to open.
So we're not.
But it says that as of 7 p.m. today, Puerto Chiapas is suspended navigation along the coast for small boats because of this potential formation of a tropical cyclone. 90% chance.
It's just bombed my video.
Does that mean I can't take Peanut out?
Oh! So Peanut is working. She's had a makeover.
But we can't leave.
But now we can't go because we were going to go on Saturday. We were going to go and get fuel today, and we were going to check out tomorrow, and we were going to go on Saturday. That's not happening.
Ready?
Yeah.
Watching?
Yeah.
Fuel on.
Don't forget to put it in neutral.
He's a bit excited. Don't really laugh. It all goes wobbly.
They've closed the port here where we are, so we can't leave at the moment. We are right here. That's my dirty finger. I've been working on the engine. And we've got this fella here forming. It could go up this way or it could come back this way. So that's why they've closed the marina, because it's a pretty nasty looking system there with winds in 60 to 80 knot range, and it's only 1,000 millibars in the center at the moment. So once it drops, it's just going to be a doozy. So we're staying put for a little while.
Having a little trip.
Nah, just going to get the fuel. We were planning on going exactly high tide, and that boat just got in front of us, and he takes on 2 tons of fuel, so we had to wait outside.
Yeah. Ready? That's where we're headed. Over there. Fuel up. We made it. It's tight though. Very close.
You like Mexican?
Right? Yeah. Successful refueling operation?
Yeah, it went pretty smoothly. Took on about 300 litres, about 160 in one, 140 in the other. And that's our first fuel up since Costa Rica. Yeah, so pretty happy with that. That's not bad. Yeah, went pretty well.
I'm going to do some painting. One of the boats, our neighbouring boats, asked me to do a painting of their boat, and they happen to have a kiddie paint set, so, and a panel, 10 by 8 panel. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit of painting.
I'm going to have my first attempt at using the Sailorite Speedy Stitcher. We've got this bit of webbing here that was on the top slide of the main sail, which is broken. So I'm going to use some of this webbing, cut it to size, and go and stitch it on, and see if I can do it. So this is the project. That's the slide there, the head of the mainsail. So I've just tacked one end of this, and then I'm going to stitch the other end with the Speedy Stitcher on there, so that we've got a new bit of webbing holding our mast, our sail head onto the first slide. So here's me Speedy Stitcher, which is just going to go through that webbing, the next layer of webbing, the layer of webbing at the back, the sail, and everything else. And we'll put about 10 stitches in there. It should hold nicely. I couldn't do it and film at the same time because I'm by myself. But that is incredible how quick that is, and neat. So just got to tie off the other side now, cut the thread, and then put another series of stitches in. Should be all good. And that is the finished job. I reckon that took half an hour. Fantastic. What's this stuff called again? Carnitas. So we just went and bought lots of carnitas asada, like a kilo of the stuff because it's so nice. And our friends on the neighbouring boat have this machine here. Food saver, which we're going to get one. And you watch this. You flick that down. How cool is it?